then we have C plus G, then we have D plus H. So in general, that is how we add matrices together. And now, if you have A minus B, then it means that you are subtracting the matrices. So we have A, B, C, D minus, we have E, F, G, H. So this one too, you subtract E from A, F from B, D from C, and H from D. In general, that is how we subtract and add matrices together. So we have A minus E, then we have B minus F, then we have C minus G, then we have D minus H. So in general, that is how we add and subtract matrices together. So with the addition of matrices, we add the corresponding entries together, and subtraction of matrices the same. So let's consider one or two examples so that you'll be able to understand what we mean by the addition and the subtraction of matrices. The addition and subtraction of matrices. Now, let's assume that we are given matrix A to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are given matrix B to be 2, 1, 3, 2, and you are asked to find I, A plus B, I, A minus B. So you are asked to add the matrices together and also subtract the matrices. So we'll look at the solution. Don't forget that we are given the matrix A to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the matrix B to be 2, 1, 3, 2. So we are asked to add A to B. Now the matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to add this to matrix B. That is 2, 1, 3, 2. So matrix A plus matrix B. Now let's look at the answer. Matrix A plus matrix B will now be equal to, we are adding corresponding entries together. So we have 1 plus 2. That is 1 plus 2. There you leave a space. Then we have 2 plus 1. Then we have 2 plus 1. You close it. You come down here. We have 3 plus 3. Then we have 3 plus 3. Then finally we have 4 plus 2. Then we have 4 plus 2. So A plus B will now be equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 4 plus 2 is also 6. So A plus B is 3, 3, 6, 6, and this is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So when you add a 2 by 2 matrix to a 2 by 2 matrix, the answer should give you the same order. That is 2 by 2 matrix. And now we look at the second question. Say A minus B. And so if it is A minus B, then A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 2, 1, 3, 2. That is 2, 1, 3, 2, and this will be equal to 1 minus 2. You leave a space, you have 2 minus 1, then we have 3 minus 3, then we have 4 minus 2. So in all, our A minus B will be equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is A minus B. So in general, that is how we add matrices together. In general, that is how we add matrices together. So we have A plus B, then we have A minus B. So we have A plus B and A minus B. And that will be the end of this episode. That will be the end of this episode. So in general, don't forget that we started with the general idea of matrices. We also considered how to name a matrix. We have also looked at the types of matrices, and we have now looked at addition and subtraction of matrices, and that will be all on this particular episode. So we will continue in our next episode. Thank you.